Welcome to the class of Eduaura students. I am Sandeep Jain, your maths instructor, and in this particular module students, we will be looking at Vedic mathematics. Now students, we'll go over to the Vedic method of finding square roots of a number. The division method in general, which is used in mathematics for getting the square root, is also one of the Vedic methods. That means there's no difference between the conventional method which you've learned and the Vedic method. This method is easier and rapid. The division method and the Dwanvi method in Vedic mathematics, both are based on the same principle. So what we'll do is we'll solve, or rather we'll find some square roots by the division method first and then some by the Dwanvi method. So we start with finding out the square root of the perfect square number 6889. So I want to find out square root of 6889. Write 6889, make groups of 2. So 89, 68. Think of a number which when multiplied by itself will be closest to 68. Of course, not more than 68 but less than 68. So what is that number? 8. 8 into 8, 64. Write down 8 in the top. So these are the steps. The number has 4 digits. So 2 digits will be there in the square root. First square root digit is 8. So write down 8 in the quotient. Double 8, that will give you 16. Copy 89 from the top. So 68 minus 64 is 4. The number becomes 489. You have 16 this side. Think of a number such that which can be placed ahead of 16 such that when that number is multiplied by that digit, you get closest to 489. And that digit is 3. So 163 into 3 is 489. So first square root digit is 8, remainder is 68 minus 64, that is 4. Take the next pair of digits next to 4, new dividend is 489, divisor is 8 into 2, 16, that is double of the square root digit. 48 divided by 16 is 3, so write 3 after 8 at the quotient place. Write 3 after the divisor 16, so the correct divisor is 163. 489 is 163 into 3, that's 489 minus 489 is 0, remainder is 0, and the square root you get is 83, that's the quotient. So basically students, this is the division method which we already know for finding out square root of a number. Next what we'll do is we'll look at the Dwanvi method of finding the square root. The first one was the division method, the conventional method. Now we'll look at the Dwanvi method, which basically has the same principle as the earlier method. So look at this through an example. Find the square root of 389376. Now what do we do? Look at the steps. Take 9376 separately, 38 separately, 3 pairs of digits in the number, so 3 digits in the square root. The first conclusion. First square root digit is 6, 38 minus 6 square is 2, write 2 before 9, new dividend is 29, corrected dividend is 29, divisor is 6 into 2, that is 12. 29 divided by 12, quotient digit is 2, write 2 next to 6 in the column below, remainder is 5, write 5 between 9 and 3 just below them, new dividend is 53, corrected dividend is 53 minus 2 square, that's 53 minus 4, 49, 49 divided by 12, quotient digit is 4, write 4 next to 2 in the column below, remainder is 1, write 1 between 3 and 7. Now we are able to find the final remainder as we already have got 3 digits in the square root. New dividend is 17, remainder is 17 minus 2 into 4 into 2, that is 1. Write 1 between 7 and 6, just below of them. New dividend is 16. Final remainder is 16 minus 4 square, that's 0. So the correct square root is 624.